153 million new users in the year 2023. That's what happened to crypto, and we know that because of crypto.com. Today, I want to talk to you guys about crypto.com's CRO coin. A lot of people are looking at the price action of this, and from what I see on social media, it seems like there is some disappointment, which is surprising to me because when you look at the narrative behind crypto.com, the regulatory successes that this exchange has had, the fact that they survived the bear market and what they've been launching throughout the bear market, and knowing that there's new users coming into this space. We just recently had an AMA with the CEO, Chris Marsliak, and they intend on being the #1 app in the App Store again when this bull market hits full stride, as a lot of people are anticipating with the upcoming Bitcoin halving event in March. We are looking for something huge with this project. Me personally, my partner on this channel, Maxi, we are bullish on this. Let's assess the significance of this 153 million users and why this is good for crypto.com, because I really do believe this is good for crypto.com specifically. I want to share with you a little example and what we can expect next. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you guys like this content, smash the like button. If you want to subscribe to the channel, just hit that button, turn on the notification bell, and let's get right in. Today, Bitcoin's broken down below $40,000. Let me actually refresh my page. We are currently at $39,000. So crypto, starting off the year in 2024, is struggling. 2023, we had a great year. Bitcoin went up about 150%. The last 4 months of the year were all bullish. And really, that was a spectacular thing to see. The reason this happened was because of the excitement surrounding the Bitcoin Spot ETF that just launched, and now we're having a little sell the news event. Cronos coin was in the top 20 in the past. It was in the top 30 for a lot of the bear market, and now it's fallen down to rank number 41. It's in the 40s, actually came up a little bit recently. It's currently sitting at a $1.9 billion market cap. I'm going to talk about the price action on this. We're currently sitting down at 7.8 cents. I said in my video this morning, talking in my live stream, I'm not going to be surprised to see a 6.5 cent CRO, and I'll show you a little bit more about that. But how am I bullish, you might be wondering? Why am I bullish on this product? Well, I'm bullish on the CRO coin because of a couple of reasons. One, they launched the Cronos chain, which is a EVM compatible chain, one that is in the top 20 of total value locked up in all of DeFi and crypto, and it has fallen down to rank number 15 from the top 10. But again, that's coming out of a bear market. We have not seen that wave of new investors really flock to this market, but we have seen 150 million new users. So you might be wondering, why aren't those users coming to the Cronos chain? I don't think a lot of new people are coming to DeFi right now. I believe personally that a lot of people that are coming to DeFi are the people that were sitting on the sidelines that were already crypto people, that were out of DeFi because the bear market was here. As things are heating up, they're making gains, they're shuffling some positions back into DeFi. And right now we're looking to see new users come on board. Well, new users did come on board in 2023, but I would say that a lot of those folks are probably just learning about crypto. A new user comes into the space and they're looking for a new app to trade on. Crypto.com is a fantastic option. Now, let me be clear. This isn't 150 new crypto.com users, 150 million crypto.com users. This is just the overall crypto market. This is crypto.com's crypto market sizing report for 2023. The industry grew 35% to 580 million users in 2023. That's an additional 150 million users. Is crypto.com did they achieve some growth? Did they get some of these users? Likely they did. But the key here and why I think this is important is they've got a lot of metrics. They are looked at as a leader in the space, in my mind. And when you look at what's going on Twitter, you see that even Watcher Guru, one of the big Twitter accounts that is very crypto-oriented, takes the opportunity to see this report from crypto.com and put out a tweet saying crypto.com says global crypto owners grew to 580 million in 2023. Now everybody sees this Watcher Guru account, which is very, very big on Twitter. And you have a bunch of people retweeting this, 375 people retweet this. You have a lot of other people in the space, not just Watcher Guru, a lot of other major Twitter influencers are coming out and saying crypto.com is reporting this information. There's nowhere else that this information is getting reported from. Even if you go onto Google and you Google crypto news, you're going to see crypto.com says 580 million users in 2023 for crypto. So my point here is, guys, crypto.com, the brand name, the exchange, the Cronos chain are going to be getting exposure because people are watching for when a breaking news story launches. Crypto.com being a leader with some of these metrics here is fantastic, guys. This is one of the top exchanges. They are one of the most regulatory structured exchanges out there. They've got the most licenses. That makes me very bullish. We just saw Chris Marziak, the CEO of crypto.com, come out and tease that they're essentially going to launch a U.S. exchange. It's not going to be a clear-cut U.S. exchange, just a straight-up exchange. It sounds like it's going to be something a little bit different, so we'll see what he means by that. But they're continuing to grow. They're continuing to stay compliant, even with the countries where it's difficult to stay compliant, like the United States. Pretty picky over here when it comes to the regulators. But we're seeing them head in the right direction. They're clearly a leader here. Now, the Cronos coin is coming down, but why? Because Bitcoin is back down below $40,000 today. So as for the price action on the Cronos token, guys, I do expect to see potentially us hit down to the 6.8 cent level, maybe down as low as 6.5 cents. Could we come lower? Well, I'll tell you this, guys. If Bitcoin continues to come lower, and we don't get a bounce here soon, there's like a CME gap that's about to potentially, be a stopping point maybe for Bitcoin right here. If we break through that, 38,000 is certainly on the table, a number I've been talking about for a while. If that happens, well, CRO is falling down versus Bitcoin, and we can kind of see that trend continue to play out. Probably another 24% downside versus Bitcoin for Cronos. And if Bitcoin's falling and Cronos falls harder, you might see some lower price levels. Now, I'm going to say for now, my prediction is looking at a touch at 6.8 cents would be significant, probably significant enough. That's about a 12% downside for CRO, where Bitcoin to the $38,000 level only has about 3 or 4% downside. So that move would make sense. A bounce off 6 cents for CRO and a bounce off 38K for Bitcoin on the table. Now, if Bitcoin breaks lower, can CRO go lower? I'm just going to tell you guys, it certainly can. I love to see this report coming out and so many people talking about crypto.com's marketing report and the growth of crypto overall. And they've got the crypto.com research and insights Twitter page where they talk about some metrics in crypto. This is all good to track. Right now, we're in a little bit of a lull, but I see a lot of people being very negative today. Overall, we are up from the highs in the bottom of the bear market. If you've been accumulating from the bear market lows, you're probably up a little bit. If you were buying during the previous bull market through the bear market, maybe you're not quite up at this point in time on some of your altcoin positions, but Bitcoin is still significantly up from its lows, over 2x up from its lows. That's why my focus was buying Bitcoin and Ethereum through the bear market. Then lately, I have been buying some altcoins through this pump that we had into the fall. Those altcoins are taking a little bit of a hit right now, which is fine. This is the opportunity that I believe we accumulate. We dollar cost average and we hold it for the long term. That is my strategy. I will be aggressively buying crypto through 2024, through the fall and into the winter of 2024 likely. I'll be looking to take some profits starting likely in the winter of 2024 and then into 2025 as we start to hopefully go parabolic, as a lot of people, myself included, are looking at. Given the history of Bitcoin with the Bitcoin halvings, that's something that's coming. We are seeing insane strides in crypto, from ETFs being approved and now a potential Ethereum ETF coming as well. It's very exciting. It's very exciting stuff, guys. So that's my update for you. 150 million new users for crypto in the year 2023. Did Crypto.com get a couple of users? I'm sure. But I do think that when the FOMO comes and we get an insane amount of users coming in 2024 and 2025, when this thing goes parabolic, Crypto.com is going to be a leader when it comes to exchanges. When it comes to apps on the App Store, they're going to be a leader as well. And that could help prompt the Cronos price. And I am very bullish on that token. I do believe we can go to $2 to $5 in the next bull cycle. I say it in almost every CRO video I do, just to remind you guys that my mind has now changed on that. I am here for the volatility. Let me know what your thoughts are on Bitcoin today. Are we seeing lower prices? Is CRO coin going to break below 6.5 cents? Is the bleeding over? What are your thoughts? Are you buying today? Are you selling? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. We got free money when you sign up for Femex. If you use the link in the description down below, if you want to leverage trade, be cautious, guys. If you're an unexperienced trader, then be very, very cautious. If you're an experienced trader, then have at it, guys. That's all I got. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.